Hello friends, this is Dr. Parvesh Pandya from the Sanctuary Nature Foundation, and we are here to talk about the World Environment Day 2020. This year's theme is Time for Nature, and it brings so many thoughts to my mind. Time for nature means for us to think about nature, for us to think about what nature is doing to us, for us to see whether we are spending enough time for nature. All these questions come to my mind. You must have been bombarded with a huge number of videos and photographs showing what is happening all over the world with the catastrophes that nature has caused, the kind of reactions that people have come to, and also the beautiful nature which has been restored in several parts of the world. We see people enjoying the beauty of nature. We see people understanding that human interference was the main cause of the deterioration of the environment. The moment these human beings have been removed, the air is clear, the water is pure, the soil is good, everything has come back to its natural, original, maybe a century-old glory. And this teaches us a lot of lessons. As an individual, as a society, as an institution, we have a lot to do. We need to make resolutions. We need to understand that nature can repair itself, and by doing so, it can be in the best form that we can see around us. So what do we do to allow nature to repair? As an individual, we become a less burden on nature. There are lots of talks about goods, apps of several countries that we need to ban. The main problem comes is because we are greedy. We want a lot of things for ourselves. As is said in several anecdotes as well as phrases, simple living and high thinking. This is what we need. We need to understand how we can reduce our demand for technology. Thereby, we can reduce pollution in our own ways. We can reduce the greed when we reduce our demand for technology. Then the industries and the other projects which have a high demand for all the resources, that will also decrease. This is our way that we can contribute to the improvement of the environment. What one needs to do is look at all the daily chores, right from morning brushing of your teeth till the time you go to bed. See which of your actions are a burden on the environment, see which are detrimental to the environment, and thereby you can slightly change them, tweak them, and contribute in your own ways. And of course, nature is all around you. Look outside your windows. Appreciate all the nature that you have. It reminds me of the famous poem by William Henry Davis called Leisure. And it says that, what is life if full of care? We have no time to stand and stare. Being a nature lover, I have always appreciated nature around me, wherever I go and in whatever I do. But do you have the time for nature? Thank you.